Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohammedullah, internationally speaking, with all the law enforcement around the world internationally. I am allowing them to controlling me and I'm controlling them. Yes. So I'm just for understanding for this meeting, my friend who in American CIA, Islam, Muslim, my friend who in Indian raw agent, who is Muslim Islam, my friend who in Bangladesh Army, Colonel Bas 55, Asif, he told me for all of those peoples, my friend who worked for Al Jazeera, he told me, and my another friend who worked for human rights organization, he told me, they all of them got together that say, hey Mohammed, listen, you make one video and you need to say this. So whatever they tell me to tell, right now I gonna say this in English for all the country around the world to understand what's going on, and all the poor peoples and rich people understand, and all the government people to understand what's going on in the world. So I know everything. All the country's laws, government workers, police force, and international and in national problems and gangs and mafias and drug dealers and weaponers and armies, navies, air force, police, presidents. That doesn't matter. I know everybody. So every country systems I know. So I give it to people. So people gonna know. This is some people gonna get mad at me. And they try to get mad at me like America against Muslim people. So I'm in Islam. In Islam I'm telling the true, not fake. And I'm telling the real Islam. And whoever like on Islam and disrespect Islam and like Munafiq and who is a look like a Islam but he not Islam, he's a Yudi, then they're gonna understand what's going on. They're gonna find me and then they're gonna kill me. That doesn't matter how much money they they have to spend. They're gonna spend. That's why I'm making this video for international. My country, the place I live in, Magura, nobody will hurt me. Everybody, all this time, I have been going on. They have been supported me, and they have been by my side. All this through. When Sheikh Hasina been in Bangladesh, I try to beat up Sheikh Hasina. When MP Magura, MP Shikor, I try to beat up Shikor. I try to beat up Shikor families. I try to beat up Hindu MP. His name is uh, uh, I forgot again. Shikder, Brian Shikder. I try to beat up him. His father's name is Biharlal Shikder. I know from there, they are not there nothing for Islam. They always did for Hindu and Christian, and they try to finish Islam in Bangladesh. I always in Islam front politics in Islam, and I went to Dhaka in Ganabhavan. I tried to fight in Ganabhavan. So everything is happened because I did this. So every country, all of people that are looking under me, American CIA, my friend, he said they're looking at my profile very deeply. They try to fight, get me, find a way, try to kill me. They try to contact in Bangladesh. They try to contact my neighbors. Try to kill me. They contact in Bangladesh, Bangladesh Army, Bangladesh Police, Bangladesh government, India government try to control Bangladesh government, try to kill me. All of the video I have been made, they try to prove I'm wrong, I'm false. That's why. But I'm not lying and I'm not saying anything. I have all the proofness. I've been talking. If they kill me, all the war gonna go against all the government, because the government is playing with the people, and the people will be right. The people will be right. The government need to get recognizes. and I know how the government gonna be recognize us. I don't asking for no country, no money. Nobody pay me for any money. Only person is paying me is Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for me sending me this world. And only person is feeding me is Allah Subhanahu wa Taala by my family, by my friend, by my work, by my freedom, by my intelligence. I get feed. Nobody give me free money or nobody take care of me. My father, he's a very honest man. He's a very good guy. I'm telling all of this. If I get killed, inside the kill, who gonna kill me? If I get killed, Bangladesh army will can kill me, and Bangladesh government, Bangladesh president, right now is Dr. Inus before Sheikh Hasina. She don't believe me. She win against me. She ran away. She ran away. I win a lot of times. I told her, sit with me. You don't have to run away. We were going to discuss. Take me in front of TV. She said no. But she ran away. Talk to Sheikh Hasina. I want to go front of her. Talk to Indian Narendra Modi. Up. We will talk up front, face to face. Talk to Dr. Inus. We will talk face to face. Dr. Inus, if I have anything happen, the Islam, try to put it down is Dr. Inus. If I stay good, Dr. Inus will give me a protection. I don't need Dr. Inus money. I don't need the Bangladesh government money. I have my own money. If anything happen to me, if other country try to pay money, Bangladesh government try to kill me, Bangladesh government did it. Everybody know it. And I make video and I'm going to put this video in TikTok, in Facebook, international viral. And whoever love me, whoever like me, please, I'm requesting to share. If you don't share, I'm not gonna say nothing to you. If you like it, like. If you don't like, I don't say nothing. If you think I'm saying anything crazy, just say why I'm saying crazy thing. Okay? This is in English. Every country news reporter, every country president can see this. And I'm talking about Israel and Palestine. I'm supporting Palestine because Palestine is a Muslim country. Palestine is Muslim country and Palestine don't do nothing. Palestine don't win to America showing them I'm terrorist. American terrorists come inside the Palestine, inside Israel, give them weapons, give them nuclear weapons, teach them how to do bad things, and they're in Palestine, in Gaza, they're in Lebanon. So America need to get in punish internationally. All the country need to punish America for what they did. Their dollar don't have any value. All the country need to America give their dollar back and ask for gold. Give me our gold. We don't want no friendship with you. Fuck America. That's what I say. And that's why America want to give Bangladesh people money to kill me. That is a reason. That's why I am saying if anything happened to me, is Bangladesh Dr. Inus have very good relationship with America. So Dr. Inus gonna know everything about Bangladesh Army. And Bangladesh Army have very good relationship with Dr. Inus. And Bangladesh Army have very good relationship with Bangladesh student. Student give the power to the army give the power to the Dr. Inus. So I am done. I'm not saying anything bad about country. I'm not going against country. I'm not going against any religions. I'm not going against Islam. I'm not going against anybody. I'm going against whoever bad. This thing. America do bad. This. I'm with my Islam. I'm with Islam. I'm go with Islam. I'm go with my country. I'm go with my country government. I'm go with my country army. Understand? I hope everybody. If I'm saying anything wrong, I'm sorry to everybody. I'm sorry to Dr. Yunus. Dr. Yunus, if you have time, you should give me my appropriate guidance. Thank you. And our country president will be one day Imam Azhari or Imam Amir Hamza. Another people I like this. Or another one, Adnan, Bokht Adnan. They will be good peoples. Inshallah, we will have understanding. And the France, if I'm saying anything bad, I'm sorry to all the country governments. And I like to sit with all the country governments together to understand what's gonna be the good road. Thank you, and don't try to kill me. That we're gonna be very bad situation, and I'm not terrorist. I am is your